Hi everyone, Neil Livingstone here. Today I want to talk about your website and how you can better leverage it in terms of recruitment. A lot of people really don't get the best out of their website from a recruitment point of view. They don't put their best foot forward and say who they are, that they actually are recruiting, why someone should work for them, and actually also allow the opportunity for someone to apply. It's amazing how many websites you actually can't do that. Um, if you look at the stats around websites, it's typically the first or second highest traffic to the pages about recruitment. So if you have a join us page, it really is worth spending the time and money to get that page right. It will really help you from a recruitment point of view. So let me share my screen and I'm going to show you an example website. This is one of my clients. It's called the PR Hub. The reason I'm clicking in from Google is there's a pop-up page that I want to show you. So let's have a look at that now. So straight away they go to, you can see that there's information there about hiring. And a few seconds in, a pop-up screen comes in. You can see here there's a find out more, which gets a lot of clicks, and you can see that it's front and center. And these pop-up screens work really well for recruitment. So this is the home page of the website, and you see if you go down pretty prominently, there's a section on join our team. And then when you click on join our team, straight away, there's a message focusing about the benefits of working with or for the PR Hub. There's a action there, call to action, apply now. And also below, there's a video. Now I'm just going to play this video very briefly. I'm going to put it on mute. I'll click through. I'm muting it. And you can see that this is a video. It goes for, I think, 1:50. And it showcases 10, 15-second grabs from each of Sam's employees. You can see what they're saying in captions at the bottom there, why they love working at the PR Hub and why people should come and join them. Really, really powerful. You can see that it's been shot really well, and it really works. Video on a join us page or an recruitment page on your website really, really works well, believe me. So then if I'll just freeze that, you can see that the roles that are available, there's a lot of detail, and there's apply now buttons. There's 2 roles there. And then if you click into who we are, scroll down, same video of Sam's team. And also in the contact us page, same video. And you can see there is a form that they can submit. And on the right there's what to do and who to contact in relation to recruitment. So lots of information on multiple pages. Now let me just go to Sam's LinkedIn. So you can see there that there are 3,900 followers, and the first message that comes up in her profile is come work at the PR Hub, we're hiring. So lots of consistent messaging everywhere that there's outreach by Sam and her company. This is one of the prominent messages. If you go down to her activity, you can see that the first post here is about recruitment. It's talking about the culture at the PR Hub, talking about leadership, and you'll see here it is the same video that we saw from the website. So you get to repurpose the video. You can do it in all your socials like LinkedIn here that you can see. Facebook, Instagram, whatever socials you're on, you get to reach out now. Because Sam has almost 4,000 followers, this very easy to shoot video gets 4,000 eyeballs on it, and it got a lot of response. So yeah, I hope that was helpful for you. The other thing, obviously, that Sam has, you can see here, she's got a podcast, Influence Unlocked, and she does exactly the same thing. So there's a little ad that talks about the fact that she's hiring, and she also mentions it at least once when she's talking on her podcast as well. So thanks for listening.